This evening, we delve deeper into the impact of the garbage collection crisis facing Jamaicans. For more than 2 weeks, our reporter DWAYNE Anderson has been visiting parishes where the situation is dire. Here's the first of a 3-part Primetime News in Focus special report.
A garbage receptacle painted in the colors of the Jamaican flag, overflowing with garbage. This perfectly captures the collection crisis in parts of the country. The backlog started around 2 years ago when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, and it has been worsening since. It's mainly due to a shortage of garbage trucks, which in turn means fewer loads of waste going into the country's disposal sites, like here at Riverton. This spells bad news for pickers who make a living off dump sites.
It's kind of slow, yes. Now we are through Corona thing and certain way. We don't know. Iron slow, room now buy more, so it's hard, brother. It's not nice.
I don't know. You see me? Because nothing really come as much, you know?
What you say, Alan?
Bag feeding.
To what?
For me hog them. Because to me raise hog. You get to me I say, so that's my aim. You see me?
Why you feed them?
Sludge. Like all DWAYNE, patty DWAYNE, Nutri-Mix and bread and bun and all these things you feed the hog them.
People have also resorted to disposing their garbage illegally. We counted more than a dozen illegal dumping sites in parts of Clarendon, Manchester, St. Catherine and St. Thomas during our investigation. Then there are those who leave their garbage on the roadside, hoping it will be picked up. But that takes weeks and at times months.
What the government can do for us around here, okay? So the old scheme need to clean up. So we need some truck to take up the garbage on the scheme. Look outside there. Look outside. Look on the roadside. Look on the roadside, go down, go up back the road.
In some residential areas, people use trees and fences to hang bags of garbage to keep them away from stray animals on the prowl for a meal. But the animals are unrelenting, like these dogs, and more often than not, they get into the waste. There's also the stench from the rotting food.
As you can see, the bag them hang up there, and you jump on, all of them full about 2 months going or 2 months and add.
Situations like these have also given rise to garbage wars among neighbors. One resident related a recent confrontation over the issue.
One morning, a girl over next door, I fight me and her, almost fight, because she a creep down in garbage down in front of me bar. And me I tell her, say I burn my garbage them. And me buy a bag to put my garbage bag, put my garbage. And I fling over garbage over here, and she a fling it back over here. So.
And from the proverbial bad blood to actual bad blood, medical waste is also going uncollected in this crisis. A medical practitioner explained how the backlog has impacted his work.
Nowadays, we're not quite sure when they're coming. It can be 2 weeks, it can be 3 weeks. We have even had them coming as late as 4 weeks after the date when they're supposed to come. So that is a problem. So what I have to do is just follow the advice I gave a while ago, make sure I bag away the things properly and put them in a secure area until they come, because you really can't afford to have medical waste out there.
The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, needs 150 trucks to adequately serve the country. The most the agency has ever had at any time is 20. Consequently, the NSWMA has to send trucks from places like Kingston to other parishes to help with the collection. St. Thomas is one of the parishes worst affected by the truck shortage. In part 2 of this 3-part series, we will look at why this garbage collection backlog is bad news for Jamaicans' health. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.